Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube dark mode not working. Let's jump into the screen.
Now launch the YouTube app. Go to the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon, go to the top right corner and tap the settings icon. Now tap on general, then tap on appearance. Now you'll see three options. The first option is to use the system mode to change the YouTube theme accordingly. This means if your phone is in dark mode, YouTube will automatically switch to dark mode. Many of us keep our system in light mode and that's why YouTube also stays in light mode. So select dark from here. Now this should solve your problem, but if it doesn't, we have some other methods. Launch the Play Store or the App Store. Now go to the search section and search for YouTube. Tap on the YouTube app beside the app icon. If it says open, then your app is already updated, but if it says update, then tap on update. After the update is complete, come back. Now long press on the YouTube icon. Tap on the I button to open the app settings, go to storage, then tap on clear data. From the pop-up, select clear cache, then tap on OK. But if it still doesn't work for you, uninstall and reinstall YouTube and that should fix your problem.